Hello students, I am Mrs. Muke Madam, Assistant Teacher from Shrimati Kalantraka Prathamik Vidya Mandir, Neminath Nagar, Sangli. My dear students, I hope you all are enjoying your Corona holidays and safe at home. I am sure you are missing your school, friends, teachers and fun in the school. I know everyone is waiting for the school to begin, but this year we are going to start our school in different way. We are going to start our school through online education due to COVID-19. It's okay, we can learn something from this new way. So let's start our schooling with this new mode, new technique and enjoy that too. My dear students, I welcome to you all in the 4th standard. All of you got your new textbook of the standard 4th. In the standard 3rd, you have learned about geometrical shapes. Now tell me, which is this shape? This is circle. Which is this shape? This is square. Which is this shape? This is triangle. Which is this shape? This is rectangle. Okay, you remember it very well. In the 4th standard, we learn about geometrical figures, which includes angles, circles and its parts, geometrical shapes, their sides, their vertices, etc. But first we learn about angles, cone. Angles, cone. This concept is new for you. See here. Angle means whenever two lines are meeting together, there is an angle. Whenever two lines are meeting together, there is an angle. It can be like this, like this, like this. These all are angles. Whenever two lines are meeting together, there is an angle. In our surrounding, we see angles in different things. See here, this is slide. This is slide. The slide makes an angle with the ground. The slide makes an angle with the ground. So, here is also angle. Here is also an angle. These are steps. The steps make an angle with the ground. The steps make an angle with the ground. So, here is also an angle. Here is also an angle. Another example of angle is, this is house and this is ladder. We see an angle between the ladder and the ground. Once again I repeat, we see an angle between ladder and the ground. So, here is an angle, here is an angle. This is wall of the house. Wall of the house makes an angle with ground. The wall of the house makes an angle with the ground. So, here also an angle. Do you understood? Okay. Next part is types of angles. There are 3 types of angles. One, right angle, cut cone. Second one is acute angle, laghu cone. And third one is obtuse angle, vishal cone. First we see about right angle, cut cone. An angle between two sides is 90 degrees is called as right angle. Once again I repeat, an angle between two lines is 90 degrees and upper side line is straight is called as right angle. It can be like this, right angle. Okay. Example of right angle, this is box. this side and this side are meeting here. So here is an angle, and these two lines make here an angle is 90 degree. An angle between these two sides is 90 degree. So it is right angle. Another example of right angle is, this is clock and there is 3 o'clock. Okay. This is shorthand and this is longhand. You have learned about time in the 3rd standard. Did you remember? Okay. This is shorthand and this is longhand. There is an also right angle. There is also right angle, because these two hands makes an angle of 90 degree. Okay. So this is right angle. This is the electric pole. Electric pole विजेचा खांब. We see a right angle between the electric pole and the ground. Second one, acute angle. Acute angle, लघु कोण. लघु कोण, acute angle means an angle is smaller than right angle is called as acute angle. Acute angle means an angle is smaller than right angle is called as acute angle. Example of acute angle is, this is clock, there is 3 o'clock. When we reduce the distance between two hands of the clock, the angle between two hands of the clock grows smaller. It means an angle is smaller than right angle. It is called as acute angle. Okay. Another example of acute angle is, this is scissor and these are blades of the scissor. This is right angle. Okay. When we reduce the distance between two blades of the scissor, angle between two blades of scissor grows smaller. So this is acute angle. This is acute. In this picture, this is a tree. We see an angles between the tree trunk and its branches. Tree trunk, झाडाचं खोड, branches, फांद्या. We see an acute angles between the tree trunk and its branches. Do you understood? Third one is obtuse angle. Third one is obtuse angle. विशाल कोण. It can be like this, like this. Example of obtuse angle is, this is clock and there is 3 o'clock. When we increase the distance between two hands of clock, angle between two hands of clock grows bigger. Once again I repeat, when we increase the distance between two hands of the clock, the angle between two hands of the clock grows bigger than right angle. It means an angle is bigger than right angle is called as obtuse angle, is called as an obtuse angle. Example of obtuse angle, this is scale. Okay, these are two scales. Here also an obtuse angle. Here also an obtuse angle. It is obtuse angle. Another example of obtuse angle, this is stapler. You know very well. Okay. These two sides make an angle. Okay. And This is obtuse angle. This is an obtuse angle. Okay. This is right angle. This is an acute angle, and this is an obtuse angle. Do you understood? Once again, I repeat, angle, two lines are meeting together, there is an angle. Three types of angles: right angle, cut cone. An angle between two lines is 90 degree and always upper side line is straight. It is called as right angle. Acute angle, laghu cone. An angle is smaller than right angle is called as an acute angle. And obtuse angle, vishal cone. An angle is bigger than right angle is called as an obtuse angle, vishal cone. Okay. Look here, see here, these are two fingers, pointer and middle finger. Which angle, which is this angle? Okay, this is an acute angle because distance between two fingers is smaller than right angle. So, it is an acute angle. See these two fingers, pointer and thumb. Which is this angle? Correct. This is right angle. This is right angle. Okay. Look here. These are palms. These are palms. Now tell me, which is this angle? This is right angle. Which is this angle? This is an obtuse angle. And which is this angle? This is an acute angle. Okay. Now time is homework. Time is for homework. On page number 3 in your book, solve these exercise in your book as well as in your notebook. Okay. In next video, we will learn about circle and its parts. Okay, thank you.